Hello developer. In this video, what we're going to have a look at is 7 time management tips for busy developers. And I know developers are very busy these days, so we're going to have a look at what I personally do to make sure I'm as efficient as possible when I work. And so if you are drowning in tickets, struggling with endless meetings and feeling like there aren't enough hours in the day, you're not alone. And so let's get into it. So tip number 1, context-aware time blocking. So time blocking is extremely important. This isn't your regular calendar blocking. As developers, we need to account for mental context switching. Here's how to do it right. So for example, morning blocks from 9 till 11, you might want to reserve it for deep work, complex algorithms, architecture design, or debugging. Post-lunch slots from 1 till 3, you might want to do some code review, something a little bit easier going, documentation, and collaborative work. And then late afternoon, 3 till 5, do your meetings, planning, and admin tasks. The key, group similar tasks together. Don't switch a complex debugging session between 2 meetings. Your brain will thank you. And pro tip, use calendar labels like deep focus, collaboration, and admin to quickly identify your mental state requirements. Tip number 2, the Pomodoro technique, developer edition. So traditional Pomodoro is 25 minutes work and 5 minutes off. But for coding, that is often not quite enough. You probably won't be able to complete a task or a bit of work in 25 minutes. So try this modified approach. Do 45 minutes of deep work sprint for coding and 15-minute breaks for actual recovery. And in those 15 minutes, do something completely different. Maybe go for a walk, take some time out, go outside and rest your eyes away from that screen. And after 3 sprints, take a 45-minute break and do that throughout the day. During the breaks, avoid the screen. Stand up, stretch, grab some water. Your best debugging insights often come when you're not staring at the screen. And then use VS Code extensions like Pomodoro Timer to integrate this directly into your workflow. Tip number 3, ruthless automation. If you are doing something more than twice, automate it. There's no excuses. So here's your automation hit list. Get aliases for common workflows, code snippets for boilerplate, CI/CD pipelines for testing and deployment, automated code formatting with pre-commit hooks, template generators for new projects. So time invested in automation pays compound interest. That 30-minute script you write today saves you 5 minutes daily. That's 20 hours a year. So return on investment calculation for automation time saving is very high. Tip number 4, strategic no's and delegated yeses. So not every bug is crucial, not every meeting needs you, and here's your decision framework. Ask yourself, does this align with your current sprint goals? Am I the only person who can do this? What's the real deadline, not the requested one? And if you ask yourself those questions, if it fails these tests, you have 3 options. Delegate it, defer it to the next sprint, or just delete it. Yes, some tasks just aren't worth doing. Remember, every yes to one thing is a no to someone else. Choose wisely. Tip number 5, batch processing tasks. So your brain is like a CPU. So context switching is expensive. So batch similar tasks. Code review sessions, do all PRs in one sitting. Email, Slack time, check 3 times daily, not constantly. Documentation blocks, write all docs together. And finally, bug fix sprints, tackle similar bugs in batches. Set specific times for these batches. Tuesday 2 till 4 p.m. for code reviews, Tuesday morning for documentation. This predictability helps both you and your team. And tip number 6, the developer's 2-minute rule. So if a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. But here's the developer twist. Quick code fixes, just fix the typo now. Slack responses, reply immediately to schedule for later. And small refactors that like variable names, just do it. Git commits, don't let them pile up, just get them out there. But be aware of the trap of quick fixes that spiral into hour-long debugging sessions. Don't count. Let a 2-hard-minute timer if needed. And your final tip, number 7, your energy level graph throughout the day. So manage your energy levels, not just your time. So tracking your energy levels for a week when you're sharpest. When you do crash, then align your tasks. High energy, complex problem solving system design. When you're medium energy, do feature implementation and testing. And when you're low energy, do documentation, email, and simple bug fixes. For most developers, they are the sharpest in the morning, but you might be different. I know developers who do their best work at 10 p.m. Find your peak hours and guard them fiercely. It's not about working more hours, it's about working the right hours and the right tasks in those hours. And that was your 7 tips for how to be a productive developer. If you enjoyed this video, then I would love it if you can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.